Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can perform diagnostics on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do so, first we need to go to the settings, then scroll down and go to device care, then scroll down one more time, and over here you will find diagnostics. If you tap this option, then you need to wait a couple of seconds in order to open the diagnostics menu, and you have three options. You have phone diagnostics to check if your phone's functions are working properly. We have app battery usage diagnostics, where you can check for apps that quickly use up battery. And we also have app safety diagnostics, where you can check for apps that can reduce your phone's performance and security. So if you go, for instance, to phone diagnostics, then over here you can test these functions. You can also select a specific function in order to test it manually. So that's pretty much it. So you can press test all in order to test all of them, or you can press a specific diagnostic in order to test just one. Let's go back to the device care, and over here if you go to app battery usage diagnostics, then over here you will find the list, of course, of those apps that if the device of course detects that an app uses too much battery. And we also have the app safety diagnostics, which is the same case as before. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.